PNS.
Okay, so it's a collection of axons in the PNS. Let me see if this thing is gonna let me write. So, yes. So it's a collection of axons in PNS. Okay, what's a tract?
Collection of axons in the CNS.
Collection of axons in the CNS. Good. Uh-huh. Okay. What is a nerve fiber? It's an axon, right? It's an axon. Remember, a muscle fiber is a muscle cell, but that's not the same in the nerve system. Okay. Okay. What is the part of a nerve cell to which the axon attaches, or from which we say it arises? Essentially, it's the same location where an electronic impulse is generated.
Axon.
The axon. Okay. Where are nerve cell bodies located? You got it. Ganglia. That's plural. Ganglion is singular. And how did we describe, how do we define ganglion? Is what?
Collection of cell bodies in
Uh-huh.
the PNS.
Yep, a collection of cell bodies in the PNS. Okay. And we already know that nerves are only found in the PNS, right? So true or false? Nerves are only found in the PNS.
True.
True. Okay, good. Okay, these next questions are gonna be good, because they're gonna kind of give you a better idea of terminology. So, what types of fibers in spinal nerves arise from nerve cell bodies located in the CNS? So let's kind of break down the question first. What types of fibers? So what are our two choices for types of fibers? What two types of axons have we learned? Sensory and motor. Okay, so those are our choices. What types of fibers in spinal nerves arise from nerve cell bodies located in the CNS? Motor. Uh-huh. What's another word for motor? Efferent. Okay, good. Okay, so number 6. What types of fibers, what are our two choices?
Motor and sensory.
Sensory and motor, in spinal nerves arise from nerve cell bodies located outside the CNS. Those are sensory. Right? And another word for sensory is what? Afferent. Where are sensory nerve cell bodies found? What structures are they found in? Where do we find clusters of cell bodies? Where do we find clusters of cell bodies in the PNS? In ganglia, right? And what's the specific ganglia you guys identified yesterday? The DRG, dorsal root ganglion. Okay. All right, so number 7, we haven't talked about that yet, so we're gonna get to number 7. So we'll put 7 on hold. Ooh, where's my cursor? Hello. Lost my cursor. Okay. Oh, no, can't do that. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, so number 8, yes. If an efferent fiber to skeletal muscle is stimulated, what will happen? Just in general. Contraction. Yep, that's the effect on the effector, right? Okay, so number 9, we already went through. No, sorry, 9 we haven't gotten to yet. So, okay, so, yeah, no. Okay, so why are fibers called efferent fibers? Like, what's the definition of efferent?
Going away.
Okay, so they're taking an impulse away from where? From the CNS, right. Okay, good. Okay, 11 we haven't got to, alright, so 12. What other types of efferent fibers are found in peripheral nerves in addition to efferent fibers to skeletal muscle? So we learned two kinds of motor fibers, right? The ones that go to skeletal muscle are called what?
Somatic,
Somatic motor, right? So what's our other option?
visceral.
Visceral motor. Okay, good. So 13 we'll get to. We haven't gotten to that yet. We'll get to that not today, probably PNS. So we'll come back to this. Okay. Okay. So 14, where are the cell bodies of all afferent fibers found in spinal nerves?
In the spinal cord.
The DRG. Right, dorsal root ganglion. 15 we haven't gotten to, so 16. What types of fibers are found in dorsal roots? Say it again? Afferent or sensory, right? Yep. Good. Okay, what types of fibers are found in ventral roots? Efferent or motor. Good. We haven't talked about rami yet, so the last two we're gonna get to. Okay, so we'll come back to this after we discuss cranial nerves, and cranial nerves are part of PNS, so we'll get to that on Thursday. So we might on Monday maybe return back to this. We'll see how it goes. Questions about what we answered though, so far? Okay, so these are good practice questions too, because they get you thinking about what's a fiber, what types of fibers, what are options for answers, things like that. Alright.